In the cold light of a modern factory at Longduk Industrial Park, millions of used plastic bottles are about to begin their miraculous journey of rebirth. Tons of discarded plastic collected from bustling urban centres arrive in massive bales, waiting to be fed into the heart of this mechanical giant. The journey starts with the release of pressure, as wires are cut and thousands of bottles tumble onto the conveyor belts like a rolling plastic pipe. This initial chaos is the raw material for a sustainable future, moving steadily toward a sophisticated system designed to find value in what was discarded. Robotic arms perform a flawless mechanical dance, using advanced sensors to identify and sort PET from HDPE with speed and accuracy beyond human capability. Sophisticated optical sorters scan every single item, using light frequencies to distinguish plastic parts and colors in the blink of a robotic eye. Input bottles are isolated, their transparent bodies gleaming under the facility lights as they are prepared for the next stage of their transformation. Colourful HDP in containers follow a different path, ensuring that every type of plastic is managed according to its unique chemical and structural properties. A precise cup of air redirects specific item with satisfying efficiency, a testament to the invisible intelligence guiding this entire recycling operation. The sorting process is a massive, multi-level synchronic technology, ensuring that only the highest quality materials proceed further into the factory's core. With the sorting complete, the bottles are funneled into the dark maw of the crushing system, where their original forms will soon be obliterated. We enter the zone of necessary destruction, where giant steel blades wait to break down the old to make room for the new. In a display of raw industrial power, the bottles are crushed, shattering into thousands of tiny shards in a surprisingly satisfying mechanical process. Every fragment is a piece of a puzzle being disassembled, stripped of its previous identity, to become a pure raw material once again. The result is a vibrant rain of plastic flakes, a colourful mosaic of materials that will soon be cleaned and refined to perfection. These flakes dance on vibrating screens, being sorted by size to ensure uniform consistency and fine the high-quality products. Though rough and jagged, these fragments hold the potential for incredible beauty and utility once they've passed through the fire and water. The flakes move steadily forward, entering the hot washing phase where heat and chemistry work together to remove all traces of their past lives. Powerful vacuums pull away any lingering dust or debris, leaving only the plastic behind in an environment of increased purity and focus. Agitation is key, as the material is constantly moved and turned to ensure that every single surface is exposed to the cleaning agents. They dive into the purification tanks, marking the beginning of a cleansing process that will transform dirty waste into high-value industrial resource. The washing zone is a realm of steam and light, where the industrial process takes on an almost ethereal quality of transformation and renewal. Inside the tanks, violent whirlpools of water and specialized chemicals strip away adhesives, labels, and any organic residues from the plastic surface. Gravity and buoyancy are harnessed to separate paper and glue, which float to the top, leaving the heavy, clean plastic flakes below. From beneath the surface, the flakes look like a shimmering storm of glass, dancing in a crystal clear environment of absolute hygiene and precision. The light catches the turbulent water, creating a mesmerizing sparkle that mirrors the increasing value of the material as it becomes cleaner. Centrifugal then takes over, spinning the flakes at incredible speeds to cast off the water and prepare them for the drying phase. The damp flakes travel under intense heat, where infrared lamps evaporate every last molecule of moisture, ensuring the material is perfectly dry. Air jets then lift the flakes, letting them drift through a vertical column, where only the purest, most uniform pieces are allowed to pass. What remains is a pile of crystalline perfection. PET flakes are clean and clean but mistaken for fragments of fine glass. Quality control is constant, with sensors and technicians ensuring that the purity level meets the rigorous standards required for food-grade recycling. The clean flakes are collected, ready to leave the washing stage and enter the most dramatic phase of their journey, the heat of transformation. As we move from the cool clarity of water to the intense heat of the forge, the real alchemy of recycling begins to unfold. The clean flakes are fed into the mouth of the extruder, where they will be subjected to immense pressure and blistering temperatures. Inside the heart of the machine, the heating fans ready to break the solid plastic down. Under the relentless heat, the solid fragments lose their shape, softening and melting into a single, flowing stream of molten potential. The plastic is now a viscous liquid, moving through the system like lava, being refined and filtered at a molecular level. Even at this stage, filters remove all microscopic impurities, ensuring the resulting material is at the highest possible grade for manufacturing. The molten plastic is forced through a die, emerging as long, continuous strands that look like delicate ribbons of liquid light. They immediately plunge into a cooling bath, where the sudden drop in temperature shocks the liquid back into a solid, durable state. The transformation is instant and hypnotic, as the glowing strands harden into tough, flexible lines of recycled material. Rollers guide the strands with perfect tension, pulling them toward the final stage of the pelletizing process with mechanical rhythm. A high-speed cutter slices through the strands with surgical precision, creating thousands of identical pellets in a matter of seconds. These pellets, known as nurdles, are the fundamental building blocks of the plastic industry, now completely purified and ready for use. Each pellet represents a successful cycle of recycling, a small but significant victory in the battle against global waste and pollution. A golden rain of plastic falls into the silos, a satisfying sight that marks the completion of the material's refinement. Consistency is verified one last time, ensuring that the recycled pellets are indistinguishable from virgin plastic in quality and performance. Stored and ready, these pellets are the currency of the circular economy, waiting to be molded into the products of tomorrow. The journey of the pellet now takes a creative turn, as we witness the incredible versatility of recycled plastic in manufacturing. Pellets are melted once more and pushed through microscopic holes to create polyester fibers, the foundation of modern high-performance textiles. Spindles rotate at dizzying speeds, winding miles of recycled yarn that will eventually become polymers, car parts, or industrial fabrics. On the loom, the transformation is complete. What was once a discarded bottle is now a soft, durable fabric ready for the fashion industry. This high-grade material is the result of precision engineering and a commitment to giving waste a second, more elegant life. In another part of the factory, pellets are molded into the form small, dense tubes that carry the blueprint for new plastic bottles. The performs are heated until they are soft and pliable, glowing with warmth as they prepare for the final molding process. In a split second, high-pressure air is injected, expanding the soft plastic against the cool metal walls of the bottle-shaped mold. The mold opens with a satisfying pop, revealing a brand new, perfectly formed bottle, born from the remnants of its ancestors. A steady stream of new bottles moves down the line, a rhythmic and satisfying display of modern manufacturing and circular efficiency. Every bottle is scrutinized by digital eyes, ensuring that the recycled product is as perfect and reliable as one made from new materials. Beyond bottles, recycled HDPE is molded into heavy-duty industrial components, showcasing the strength and durability of reclaimed plastic. These products are built to last, proving that recycled material can stand up to the toughest demands of global logistics and industry. The factory is a testament to what is possible when technology and environmental responsibility work together in perfect mechanical harmony. Every movement is calculated to the millisecond, creating a satisfying flow that feels less like a factory and more like a work of art. The finished products are bundled and secured, ready to leave the sanctuary of the factory and return to the world of consumers. In the shipping bay, the scale of the operation is revealed, with thousands of products ready to prove the value of the circular economy. Each label is a badge of honor, marking a product that has been saved from the landfill and turned back into a valuable asset. As the day ends at Long Duck, the fruits of this mechanical labor are loaded onto trucks, destined for markets around the world. The journey continues outward, completing the loop and bringing sustainable choices to the hands of millions of people everywhere. This is more than just transportation. When you choose a recycled product, you are participating in this grand mechanical dance, supporting a system that values the future. Clean, clear, and sustainable, the vessel of hope, showing that we have the tools to heal our environment.